check the India. Bharat Mata ki joy. Good afternoon to all guys. You are watching my YouTube channel. I am Sumangal Chakraborty from Agartala, Tripura. This is very important video for all upcoming fast bowlers. Today I will tell you how you can bowl fast bowling in tennis ball and deuce ball. This is deuce ball. If you want to bowl fast, then your height is a key factor. If your height is above 165 or 170 centimeter, that will give you some benefit. And if you are less 165 centimeter, then you will have to face some problems. And before anybody don't discuss about that, your hand and feet is also a key factor. If your hand and feet is straight, then you will bowl more consistency line and length. And if your hand and feet is not straight, then you will have to face some problem in your run up. But in spite of that, you will bowl more consistency and more line and length if you adjust your body. How you run up should be built up. Shoaib Akhtar, his hand was not straight, but in spite of that, he is world greatest fast bowler. Now I will tell you bowling action. Normally side on action is the best for in swing and out swing, but if your body is not permit you, then you can choose front on, semi side on, or open chested. Every action there is some benefits and there is some also negativity. And bowling grip is also a key factor. How you grip the ball. Your bowling grip must be cock position. Glenn McGrath used that properly. His grip was like cock position, and not, these two fingers not too much gap and not too much close. Slightly gap, and this finger must be in the center, and these two fingers just slightly away from the ball. And you should run it. And your action, you should bowl always iron action and focus just side on, and your left hand is also key factor. Top of the action, finish, and your these 2 feet also key factor. Glenn McGrath, his right leg landing was like that, and his left leg, normally in cricket basic your left leg must be in straight, but Glenn McGrath, his left leg slightly towards fast slip. When he bowls, his action was like that, and he finished here, top of the action, and then here he finished, and his head position always straight. That is why he bowled more consistency line and length. I uploaded some footage in YouTube. There is lots of comments that this action is not like Glenn McGrath. Now I will tell you that Glenn McGrath also changed his action day by day. When he debuted in 1993, his bowling action was this action does not like else everywhere. Then he, after 1993, 1994, up to 2003, he chose an action not to straight to the crease, just side to the crease, and then he come he always use this right leg, finish here. His body adjustment was good. And later on, if you see the difference of Glenn McGrath bowling, you should see 1993, 2003, and 2007. These 3 years bowling footage. Up to 2003, Glenn McGrath bowling action, he comes from here, and then he enters the box, and his body was slightly bent, and his body balance was left side, and finishing here. But when he get old and his age was about 35, 36, then he also changed his action, little bit changes, not too much. Then his run up was like that. Slowly build up and straight and finish it. Now I will discuss you some in swing and out swing tips. Your action is your natural. Side on, front on, open chested, no problem. But release point is factor. Everyone has their own natural body flexibility. That is why some bowler use open chested, some bowler semi side on, some bowler front on, some bowler side on. If you want to bowl in swing, then this position is a key factor, and you should bowl push through here and finish here. And if you want to bowl out swing, then this part of the hand is a key factor. You should push here. Dale Steyn, he grip the ball slightly gap, and sometimes he also grip the ball little cross seam. This is his natural. He used this hand, but Glenn McGrath used this hand like that. Dale Steyn used this hand like that. But left hand is very important for fast bowling. If you use left hand properly, then you bowl more consistency line and length, and your body balance is also a key factor. Your head position, you should not bowl like your head position is outside. Head position must be straight, always straight. In 2004, Glenn McGrath takes 3 to 4 times out to Virendra Sehwag. At the time, he used the action slightly bending and finish here like the off cutter, and hit head position little asleep, but at the end he adjust it straight and push the ball. That's why ball come like off cutter, and Virendra Sehwag was out 2 times or 3 times LBW. You can also this technique in tennis ball also. If you are bowling in tennis ball, you can choose this action. You should push here for more swing and revolution, you can say. And you can also this ball also. If this ball is brand new ball, then if this ball is brand new ball, if you finish like that, then sometimes pitches will also help you. Sometimes it come fast and sometimes it comes to the batsman little bit slow, and you will get wickets. Now if your hand and feet is not straight, then you will have to some problem to build up your run up. My hand and feet is not straight. In spite of that, I played cricket for more than 25 years. If your legs are not straight, then you should little gap here. And this two hand is also key factor. This hand you feel always you are in the box. You are in the box, and this is the key factor for balance your running. You should not running zigzag. And ball always hit the deck like straight sip, always. And if you want to bowl some slower, you can choose little gap here, and you earn speed fast, but ball will come down your hand, but ball will come down from your hands little slow, and there is chance for wicket. Thank you.